Hello friends, I am Dr. Ashish Agrawat. Welcome to my channel Live Biochemistry. In this video, I am going to talk about the mucopolysaccharidosis. So, you can watch my video regarding the mucopolysaccharides. Link is given in the description and also in the suggestion box. So, mucopolysaccharides, they are hydrolyzed in the lysosome by the lysosomal enzyme hydrolysis. Okay, and whenever there is a defect in this enzyme, that will lead to the accumulation of the mucopolysaccharide, and that is the cause of the mucopolysaccharidosis. Now, these mucopolysaccharidosis types are frequently asked in the NEET PG exam in the form of pediatric or biochemistry or medicine. Right? It is also asked in the super specialty exam and also asked in the GPSC exam or PSC exam. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. So type 1 mucopolysaccharidosis is Hurler syndrome or Hurler disease. In Hurler syndrome, the defective enzyme is iduronidase. Okay, and defect in this enzyme lead to accumulation of dermatan sulfate and heparan sulfate. Okay, now type 2 mucopolysaccharidosis, that is called as the Hunter's disease. Here, the defective enzyme is iduronate sulfatase. And speciality about the Hunter disease, it is a X-link. Right? So, all the features affected in male. Okay. And in mucopolysaccharidosis, the common features are like coarse facial features, short stature, corneal clouding, and dysostosis. There is a defect in the bone development, a typical finding of the X-ray. Then hepatosplenomegaly, mental retardation, and joint contracture. Okay. But in Hunter syndrome, you can remember like this corneal clouding will be absent. So clear cornea, that is a sign of Hunter disease. And this Hurler disease and Hunter disease, these are the most frequently asked question MCQ in the exam because they are very common. Right? Now coming to the 3 mucopolysaccharidosis, that is called as the Sanfilippo disease. In Sanfilippo disease, there is 4 types: type A, type B, type C, and type D. In type 1, enzyme deficient is heparan sulfatase. In type 2, enzyme deficient is N-acetyl glucosaminidase. In type 3, glucosamine N-acetyl transferase. And in type 4, N-acetyl glucosamine sulfatase. In this type Sanfilippo ABCD, also there is no corneal clouding. Right? And other features in Sanfilippo is this feature, this coarse facial features, corneal clouding, and organomegaly. These 3 are absent in type 3 Sanfilippo disease. Okay. Now coming to the type 4, right? There is no type 5 and I am also writing type 6 together. Okay, in type 4 there is two types, 4A and 4B. Okay, this 4A and 4B, they are called as a Morquio disease. Okay, it has the two types, type A and type B. In type A, enzyme deficient is galactosamine 6-sulfatase. Remember, for the type 4 galactosamine 6-sulfatase enzyme is deficient, while in type 6, that is also called as a Maroteaux-Lemmy syndrome. In this Maroteaux-Lemmy syndrome, enzyme deficient is galactosamine 4-sulfatase. This enzyme is deficient. Okay, if you don't remember type 3 Sanfilippo enzyme deficient, type 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D, that will be okay. But type 4 and type 6 and Hurler and Hunter. In Hurler syndrome, there is a iduronate enzyme is deficient. In Hunter syndrome, iduronate sulfatase enzyme is deficient. In type 4 Morquio disease, there is a galactosamine 6-sulfatase in type A. And in B, enzyme deficient is galactosidase, beta galactosidase. Okay. And in type 6, galactosamine 4-sulfatase enzyme is deficient. And in type 7 disease called as a slide disease, where there is a glucuronidase enzyme is deficient. There is also no type 5 and there is no type 8. Okay. Recently found type 9 disease is Neto-Vicks disease, where high hyaluronidase enzyme is deficient. In Sanfilippo, accumulated mucopolysaccharide is type 3, accumulated mucopolysaccharide is heparan sulfate. While in case of type 4 and type 6, mainly keratan sulfate is accumulated. While in case of slide disease, all mucopolysaccharides are accumulated. In type 4 also, there is no coarse facial features and no hepatosplenomegaly. Right. So I will make a chart so that will be easy for you. Right. So here I will write the type. Suppose this is a type 1, type 2, right, type 3, type 4, type 6 and type 7. Okay. In type 9, that is Neto-Vicks syndrome, hyaluronidase enzyme is deficient. So I will write the name of the enzyme. Enzyme deficient is, in type 1, enzyme deficient is iduronidase. Okay. In type 2, enzyme deficient is iduronate sulfatase. That you have to remember. Okay, these two very important. Color. Okay, and this type 1 is called as a Hurler. Type 1 is called as a Hurler disease. Type 2 is Hunter disease. Right. Type 3, that is called as a Sanfilippo disease. Sanfilippo disease, where there is a type 1, 2, A, B, C and D. In type 4, the enzyme deficient is galactosamine 6-sulfatase for the A, and for the B, galactosidase enzyme is deficient. This is called as a Morquio disease. Right. In type 6, there is a type 4 enzyme is deficient. So it is galactosamine 4 sulfatase enzyme is deficient. Okay, and type 6 is called as a Marotux Lamy disease. Okay, and type 7 there is a glucuronidase enzyme is deficient. Glucuronidase enzyme is deficient, which is called as a Sly disease. Right. Now very important, what are the different features? Right. So what are the characteristics of this mucopolysaccharide? So one is mental retardation. Mental retardation. One more thing regarding this type 1 Hurler disease, the mild variety of this disease is called as a Ski disease, and gene is present in the 4th chromosome. Okay, so mild variety of the Hurler disease is called Ski disease. So mental retardation will be present in Hurler disease but not in the Ski disease. Right? It will be present in the Hunter disease also. It will be present in the Sanfilippo, but mental retardation will be absent in Morquio and Marotux Lamy syndrome. So you can remember like M for M. Okay, mental retardation, and also in Ski. This was recently asked in the super specialty exam also in pediatrics. Okay, then coarse facial features. This is present in Hurler disease. It is also present in Hunter disease, but it is present or absent maybe in Sanfilippo and Morquio. Okay, as such it is absent. Okay, absent in case of type 3 Sanfilippo and Morquio disease. Okay, while it will be present in other. Then corneal clouding. This corneal clouding you can remember, it is absent in Hunter, okay, and Sanfilippo. In rest it is present. Right? Visceromegaly, hepatosplenomegaly, it is present in Hurler. It is also present in Hunter, but it is absent in Sanfilippo and Morquio. Okay, so you can remember like visceromegaly, okay, and coarse facial features. Same like joint contracture also. Joint contracture, they will be absent in type 3 and type 4. Okay, so joint contracture, visceromegaly and coarse facial feature, they are absent in Sanfilippo and Morquio, while corneal clouding is absent in Hunter and Sanfilippo. Okay, so this is all about the mucopolysaccharidosis.